Good evening, folks. We have a little problem. I'll show you what it is. See that spring is gone. Fortunately, we have got another one. It will at least consume half an hour of ours. That was an accidental worm that we came across. Nevertheless, we have to get it done. So, without wasting much time, let's begin with the installation of क्या बोलते हैं इसको kicker spring, kick spring. You can see it. It has been broken from here. See that? We need to open this. That's the difficult part. We would be using long nose plier, and I guess we would be holding it from here. And what happens is, like, you have to take out the entire assembly. Then you have to take out this, and finally this will be replaced. So after like trying for 15 to 20 minutes to take out this clip, we found out that it has to be rotated this way, holding this particular splined shaft instead. And that's how some of the simple things work on older motorcycles. It's better if you know them earlier, as they save a lot of time. Now this will be taken out. It's as simple as that. And finally, we need to make this loose, obviously. And then we'll be taking it out. Now we have the direct access to this. Look at the damage. We thought that the stress concentration would be at this point, that's why it would have been broken, but it has broken midway. Time to replace it with the new one. Finally done. It's time to place back all the things that we have taken out. Starting with fixing the springs obviously properly, so that it won't slip in near future. It's a common issue with Rajdoot, and in case if you own one, you must know that this does happen, and there is no need to panic. Spring
वैसा है. ये बाद में आएगा साहब. पहले ये आएगा, फिर ये आएगा, फिर ये बोल आएगा. थ्रेड कितना बारीक दिया है ने?
Thank you, Harish uncle, to sort this at this time.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, so amid this pandemonium of the trouble that we have been going through, it was really confusing that whether we are going to get it sorted or not. Luckily, it's sorted, and it's sorted in a very decent manner. And that's one more new thing that we learned today. We don't really have surplus gasket or the packing kit for this particular side. In case if it goes bad and there is some leakage from this side, I can always change it because I have surplus amount of that gasket at my home. So that's it. See you next time. Build it, ride it.
ऑयल से क्या बच जाएगा?
Moment of truth.